If you are wondering if we have a reverse charging available on POCO F8 Pro, then the answer is yes, but in this case we only have wired power sharing. In the case of wireless power sharing, unfortunately it is not possible to do so with F8 Pro. So with the wired power sharing we need to use USB-C cable, and of course we can connect our POCO F8 Pro to another device. And there is a chance that if you connect, you will not start charging immediately. As you can see in this case, I did start charging the phone that I wanted, and you can find the notification about it. However, there is a chance that you will not have that option. I mean, you will not start charging other devices immediately. There is a chance that, for example, your phone will be charged, being charged, I guess. So if that happens, you want to check notifications for charging this device via USB, and then over here you need to select reverse charging to switch it around. So that's just in case, of course. So there we go, it looks like this. So in case you need to go to the USB settings from notifications in order to activate reverse charging. Now, as I mentioned, wireless option is not available. Usually the option can be found in battery settings, in the charging options more precisely. And over here I can show you how it looks like. There we go, as you can see in this case we have reverse wireless charging, but this is the Ultra model. This is F8 Ultra, so in this case we do have, but in the case of F8 Pro we do not have it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.